It's January 11, 2016, and I was just talking about the colors that it changes, the aerosols, how it goes from an orange to a purple, blue to a black, and right now we're during the purple phase. And let's see if there's a pink band in the sky. Well, I can assure you that there was, but it took so long to upload the other video that I couldn't record it. Oh well. I might still be on the other side of the sky. But just look at the difference in colors of these aerosols. It's really bizarre. It does this every single night. That's kind of the color it starts as. That's the color it ends up as. I'm gonna go check to see if I can see any pink over here still, so you guys can see that band I'm talking about. I'm telling you, I'm not making it up. It's in some of my other videos, so I mean, if you really want to see if it's there, just go look at some of the other ones I've recorded. Nah, it's gone already. That is quite unfortunate. Because that didn't start happening until just recently, where you see the opposite side of the sunset start to have an afterglow, which, guess what, is a side effect that geoengineers specifically state would happen and is unavoidable. You would have sunset afterglows. It's much like a volcano because a volcano puts out a lot of sulfur into the atmosphere, and they spray a lot of sulfur, or so they say they do. And a lot of the sunsets almost do look like a volcano went off. You know, there's really not much difference. You can see the sulfur that they use, and if you compare it to a volcanic eruption picture and you look at some heavily chemtrailed sunsets, you can see a lot of similarities. People just need to start doing that, like, you know, just using logic. If you look at a volcanic eruption and you know that a lot of sulfur is emitted during that, and it looks a certain way, well, if people are saying that chemtrails have that in them, and the sunset looks almost exactly the same with the aerosols that they spray and the aerosols that come out of a volcano, well, put two and two together, and you know, you should come up with a conclusion that yes, they do spray. These things are in the atmosphere and we are breathing them on a daily basis. But yeah, if you actually haven't seen any volcanic eruption pictures or you're not familiar with that, check those out, because you'll see a real similarity between those and the heavily chemtrailed sunsets. Not all of them, but I guess when they specifically spray the sulfur, it looks almost exactly the same. And I just wanted to get the tail end here to show exactly what I'm talking about, where it turns to that black purple color. You can see it right there. It'll all be that color pretty soon. That orange glow will go away and it'll look exactly the same as the other aerosols that are there. I gotta go adjust the exposure on my other camera. I'm really looking forward to this new camera because I can connect it to this camera apparently, or my phone, and record two things at once. Or I could do a live stream on it. It's a pretty cool camera. Yeah, exposure is way too low on this one. Oops. Starting to get a pink glow right on top of this mountain here. It's kind of hard to make out on the camera. Damn it. Okay, I'm going to upload this, and When these all turn purple and the orange glow is gone, I'm going to make another quick clip just to show you guys that it actually does do that with all of the aerosols. Oh, one last thing. When there's a full moon and when there's a new moon, check out how bright it is outside and how you can see the whites of the cloud during nighttime now, which I'm pretty sure that isn't how it used to be also. I do not remember being able to see all the definition and details of a cloud when it's supposed to be pitch black at night. Well, yeah, just pointing out some things you guys can go look up yourselves and learn a little bit about this stuff.